I mean, all of my friends who are into Yiddish are queer. So there's got to be something there. I think that as a queer person, we experience an amount of stigmatism in our lives, depending on our history, and oppression. And that can, and for many of us does, end up helping us have compassion for other people who have experienced stigmatism. And we've had to identify, use an identity, naming ourselves. We've had to name ourselves in order to find each other and in order to transcend those names. And when you have to identify yourself, you want to know, I think, often about other parts of your identity as well. And so I think that leads many of us, I can speak for myself, to wanting to understand where I come from. And that includes Yiddish culture. And there's this particularity around the politics around Yiddish culture and socialism and anarchism that I think many queers are also drawn to, because we've felt, either as Jews or as queers or both, that there's this sense of wanting to, I think one of the things is wanting to make comedic that which has made the stereotypes that have been made against us. So if someone's making some stereotype against me for being queer, I think it's very queer to turn that on its head and kind of play it out even more. And I think that's also true in Yiddish theater, of stereotypes of Jews, and then kind of playing those out even more. So in the arts, there's an interest, particularly, I think, as a queer Jewish artist.